Welcome to 1 Minute Model Madness, where I take on crazy SolidWorks challenges in just 1 minute. Can you beat the clock? Let's go.
Honestly, when I do challenges, I have practiced 6 or 7 times, so you can do the same. I haven't practiced none, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Here's the idea, dig this. We're gonna have 60 seconds each to create whatever we want, and the objective is to have as much features in the design tree as possible. Whoever has the longest design tree within 60 seconds on the first try, okay? Maybe you wanna watch my video, get some ideas, you can. That's kind of cheating, whatever you want, but we're gonna do that. And to make it more spicy, the more sophisticated features you use, the better. Okay, 1 minute. More caffeine. Wait, I'm gonna set it to 1 minute. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Is it fair to think about it for a couple of seconds? No. Begin. And by the way, feature is anything that is, whatever. Oh, shoot. No. Okay. 34 seconds. It's not sophisticated. What am I doing? It's not sophisticated at all. Let's do sophisticated. 20 seconds. Oh, I haven't. I'm gonna cheat. Plane. Please. Do 10. 1. Click. Oh, please. I'm such a cheat. Yes. How many did I have? Woo! I should have done more. I should have changed 10 to 100. Oh, damn. Woo! That feels good. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, we're gonna remove slicing because that's a cheat. That's a dirty move. Okay, I could just give any number and I win. I'm gonna do it one more time without using the slicing. And it's not sophisticated at all. It's just extrude cut, chamfer, and fillet. One more round. Okay, and go. Circle. Okay, let's just extrude it, whatever. Please, extrude it, enter. Chamfer, 1. No, what, 1? Circle, click OK, extrude, whatever, cut or whatever, and then more sophisticated tools around this. Okay, good, whatsoever. And then we just draw something else here, and then one more time here, and then we do loft, I think, to this one, and then we fillet this 1, 11 seconds. Can I fillet this 1? Thank you. Can I fillet this 1? Thank you. Shit. Okay. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Well, I'm gonna keep it at this length. Let me know how many features you can pull off in 1 minute and what's the most sophisticated tool you use. For me, it would be loft, then circular pattern, then probably the basics. Don't use slicing though, that's a cheat. By the way, if you would like to learn how to work faster with SolidWorks, watch the video on the right. It teaches you how to be the fastest in SolidWorks. And this was SolidWorks 2025. And one of the things that actually makes you faster is this new tab. And if you want to learn what this tab is, watch the video on the left. It's AI based. You'll like it. And as always, the link in the middle takes you to my webinar. Feel free to watch it. Thank you very much for watching.